Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So here again I am ready with the videos, that is week 6 worksheet number 16, subject maths. And I know that you all are having worksheet with you, right? Yes or no? Yes? Good. So take out your worksheet number 16 in your maths subject. So look here children, what you have to do in your worksheet number 16, write the after numbers. What you have to do? You have to write here after numbers, okay? Look here, which number is this? 1. 1 after, what you have to write here in the dash? 2. Yes, good. So like this you have to complete. Here number 3 you have to write after 3 which number is going to come, that number you have to write in the dash. Ready? Come on, start writing. Look here. Which number is this? 1. 1 after 2. Write in the dash. Write it down in the dash. Now which number is this? 3. 3 after 4. Now which number is this? 5. 5 after which number is going to come here? 10, 11, 13. No. 5 after 6 you have to write here. Now which number is this? 7. 7 after which number you have to write here in the dash? 1, 2. Which number? 20. No. Which number you have to write here? 8. Okay. Now here, which number is this? 9. 9 after 10. Okay. 1, 0, 10. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now look here. Which number is this? 11. 11 after what you have to write here in the dash? 12. Number 12 you have to write 1 to 12. Touch the line and write properly. Now 13 is here. 13 after 14. 1, 4, 14 you have to write in the dash. Now 1, 5, 15 is here. After 15, 16 you have to write. Okay. 1, 6, 16. Now which number is this? 1, 7, 17. After 17, which number you are going to write in the dash? Come on, tell me fast. 20, 25, no, then 18. Good. 1, 8, 18. Now 1, 9, 19 is here. 19 after 2, 0, 20. You have to write in the box. Okay, in the dash. Like this you have to complete your worksheet number 16. Turn the page. So here also same you have to do for the practice I gave you. Okay. One more time you have to same. One more time you have to write here after numbers. Okay. Now you know very well how to do. I'll show once again. 1 after 2 you have to write in the box. Dash. 3 after 4. 5 after 6. So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 16. Now children, take out your worksheet number 17. So here in your worksheet number 17, what you have to do? Just see here. Before number you have to write here in your worksheet number 17. So here 21 before you have to write which number is going to come here before. that number you have to write here in the dash. 21 before 20 you have to write 20. Now here 23 before which number is going to come, that number you have to write here in the dash. 23 before 2 to 22, right? Now which number is this? 25. So what you have to do? Before 25 which number is going to come, that number you have to write here in the dash. So 25 before 24, right? Now 27 is here. So before 27 which number is going to come? 26. Okay. Next number 29. So what you have to do? Before 29 which number is going to come, that number you have to write here in the dash. 29 before 28. 28. Now here 31. So what you have to do? 31 before which number is going to come? 30. Right? Now next number is 33. So what you have to do here in the dash? Before 33 which number is going to come, that number you have to write here. That number is 3 to 32. Right? Next number 35. So 35 before 34 you have to write. Next number is 37. 37 before 36. Now next number is 39. 39 before. Yes. Come on, tell me children. 39 before. Tell me. 38 you have to write here. 38. Now 41 is here. So 41 before which number is going to come? 40. Yes. So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 17. Now turn the page. Here also same you have to do children. Before number only you have to do. Just now we have completed now. That same number I gave you for practice. Again you have to repeat that same before number here also. Okay. Now you know very well how to do. 21 before, what you have to write here? 20. Now 23 before 22. 25 before 24. So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 17. Now please children take out your worksheet number 18. So here in your worksheet number 18, what you have to do children? You have to write the between numbers. In your worksheet number 18, what you have to write? You have to complete your between numbers. Okay? Now start writing. Look here. 1-3. So now which number is going to come here? 1 after and 3 before. Which number is going to come here in the middle? 2. Very good. Right here 2. Then 4-6. So which number is going to write? Which number is correct? 8, 9, 11. No. Which number you have to write here? 5. Okay. Now 7-9. So Which number is going to come here? 8. Okay. Now 10-12. So which number is going to come here in the middle? Which number? Which one is the correct number that you have to write here in the dash? 13 is the correct number. 14 is the correct number. No. 1, 1, 11 is the correct number. Now 13-15. So in the dash, which number you have to write? 1, 4, 14. Here 16-18. So what you have to write? 1, 7, 17 is the correct number. Now again here 19-21. So before 21 and after 19. Which number is correct? That you have to write here in the dash. So correct number is 2020. Right? Now 22-24. So here write 2323 is the correct number. 25-27. So in the dash, which number you have to write, children? 2626 is the correct number. 28-30. Now in the dash, which number you have to write? 2929. Right? Now 31-33. So what you have to write here in the dash? Which number is correct? That number you have to write here in the dash. Which one is the correct number? You know very well. So write here 3 to 32. Now 34-36. Write here in the dash 35. Now here 37-39. So in the middle, which number is going to write? 38 is the correct number. Now 40-40-4 to 42. After 40 and before 42, which number you have to write here? 41-41. Yes, like this you have to complete your worksheet number 18. Turn the page, children. So here also same you have to do between numbers. Just now I have explained you how to complete your between numbers. So like this you have to complete one more time, that is between numbers. Okay. Backside also same you have to do between numbers, like 1-3. So after 1 before 3, which number is the correct? That you have to write in the dash. So 2 is the correct number. 4-6. So which one is the correct number? That you have to write here in the dash. 4 after, before 6, 5 is the correct number. So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 18. Now just now we have completed worksheet number 16, 17 and 18. You know very well how to complete your worksheets, right children? So do your work properly with the neat handwriting and send it to me for correction. Okay children, thank you.